First snowstorm on Humphrey Drive, Stratford. Oh my God. This is not easy. Get the car out. I gotta get the truck out of there and get that snow over there somewhere. Lordy. Alrighty. Feels good. Good exercise. Yeah. It was nice though when I came out. I saw the big snow plowing, or some guy who plows driveways. He came up and I waved at him, so he did all this here. So I'm really grateful. Yeah, so that was really helpful. I hope this is it for January, or for the winter. It does feel good though to shovel snow. It's not all bad, you know. Good workout. Ooh, I just got that in the face. It's windy too. I complain a lot, but you know what? I have fun a lot too. Well, get that done. It's taken me an hour so far. Not too bad. I think I need a bigger shovel. Like the neighbor's got over there. I can see it here. Maybe he'll lend it to me. Alright guys. Happy New Year. Happy New Year from Humphrey House. There's Tigger. There's Tigger. I got the truck moved. They don't like the snow, but they want to be out. But there's Leo. There's Leo. And Tiggy. It's pretty yucky for them. But yet they want to be out so bad. It was so cute when we first came out. Well, you can have this shovel. Look who's here. You can have this shovel. There's not much left to do. You can handle this. Yeah, it's okay. Come on. Yeah.
Wow.
Mr. John's here now.
Yeah.
Here you go there, honey.
Uh-huh.
Have fun.
Wow.
He likes that you're here. He just got a dose of snow on his nose. Your family.
Hi, everybody. This is the first snow of the year.
Yeah,
Hey, huh?
yeah,
And Leo's having a great old time.
yeah. He's actually liking it, I think. Huh? Most cats hate it. Hey, you bum, you. Hey, you bum. I was hoping to get my bike out, but not today. Oh.
So, yeah.
Okay, I did it. I got it all in the garage. It's great, lots of room. This should help a lot, actually. When the snow comes and then the plow guy comes, he can just come right up to the garage here and give it a one swoop. Swoop. We're gonna try to sell the truck because we don't need it. It's just, we don't need it. It's just an extra expense we don't really need. And hate to see it go, but anyway. John's gonna go for a ski. Right, John? Might as well take advantage of this, I guess. The sky don't look too good over there. God, I hope we don't get more. I spent 4 hours solar shoveling. Okay.
Okay. Yay.